The deep ocean is Earth's final frontier, home to creatures so bizarre and alien-like that they seem straight out of science fiction. Adapted to survive in crushing pressure, eternal darkness, and freezing temperatures, these animals have evolved incredible and often terrifying features. Here are some of the strangest creatures from the abyss. 1. The anglerfish, the deep sea's most iconic nightmare fuel, famous for the bioluminescent lure that dangles from its head, which it uses to attract prey in the utter darkness. Weirdness factor. Sexual parasitism. A tiny male anglerfish will latch onto a much larger female with his teeth, eventually fusing to her body and becoming a permanent parasite, providing sperm in exchange for nutrients. 2-point giant squid. Once thought to be a mythical kraken, this colossal cephalopod can grow over 40 feet long. It has the largest eyes in the animal kingdom, up to the size of a dinner plate to detect faint light in the deep. Weirdness factor. Its elusive nature and immense size made it a legend for centuries. It battles its predator, the sperm whale, in epic deep-sea fights, leaving scars on whales as evidence. 3. Gulper eel, pelican eel. This eel looks like a swimming black sock with a tiny head and a massive, loosely hinged jaw. Its mouth is larger than its entire body. Weirdness factor. It can unhinge its giant mouth like a pelican's pouch to swallow prey much larger than itself, thanks to its stretchy stomach. 4. Vampire squid. A living relic that shares traits with both squid and octopus. Its name comes from its dark, webbed arms that it can draw over itself like a cape. Weirdness factor. Instead of ink, it ejects a sticky cloud of bioluminescent mucus to confuse predators. It lives in the oxygen minimum zone and has the lowest metabolic rate of any cephalopod. 5. Barrelea-fish, spookfish. This fish has a completely transparent, fluid-filled dome on its head. Inside, its barrel-shaped eyes can rotate to look upward through its own forehead. Weirdness factor. Its transparent skull and rotating tubular eyes allow it to see directly above to spot the silhouettes of prey, while its nostrils are actually the 2 small dots on its head that look like eyes. 6. Zombie worms, Osedax. These worms don't hunt live prey. Instead, they feast on the bones of dead whales that fall to the seafloor. Whale falls. Weirdness factor. They have no mouth or gut. They use root-like tissues to burrow into bone and secrete acid to break it down. Symbiotic bacteria inside the worms then convert the bone collagen and fats into nutrients. Deep-sea dragonfish. A fearsome predator with needle-sharp fang-like teeth so long they can't even close their mouths completely. They are also covered in photophores, light-producing organs. Weirdness factor. They produce a red bioluminescent light under their eyes. Most deep-sea creatures can't see red light, so the dragonfish uses it like a secret sniper scope to illuminate prey without being detected. 8. Hatchetfish. These thin, silver fish look like they were forged from metal. Their bodies are so laterally compressed they resemble the blade of a hatchet. Weirdness factor. They use counter-illumination for camouflage. They have light-producing organs on their underside that mimic the faint light from the surface above, making them nearly invisible to predators looking up. 9. Sea pig. A type of deep-sea cucumber that looks like a bloated pink slug with tentacle-like feet. They march in herds across the abyssal plains. Weirdness factor. They breathe by pumping water through their bulbous bodies using tube feet. They are often covered in parasitic hitchhikers, juvenile crabs that latch onto them. Frilled shark, a living fossil that has changed little in 80 million years. It has a long, eel-like body and a jaw stuffed with 300 needle-shaped backwards-facing teeth. Weirdness factor. Its hunting method is primitive and snake-like. It lunges forward to swallow prey whole, trapping them in its trident-shaped teeth. Why are they so strange? The extreme environment of the deep ocean is the direct cause of these incredible adaptations. Bioluminescence, used for attracting prey, attracting mates, and camouflage. Gigantism and dwarfism. The cold temperatures and high pressure can lead to larger sizes, like the giant isopod, or extremely small efficient bodies. Huge mouths and stretchable stomachs. Food is scarce, so you must be able to eat anything you find, no matter the size. Minimal energy use. Many deep-sea creatures are slow-moving and gelatinous to conserve energy in a world with very little food. Exploring the deep ocean is like exploring another planet, and every expedition reveals new species that challenge our imagination.